Clownfish. It's small and orange with white stripes. It lives among sea anemones. It dances playfully to hide from danger. Blue tang. It's bright blue with a yellow tail. It swims around coral reefs. It loves to nibble tiny algae. Great white shark. It's huge with sharp teeth. It lives in the open ocean. It can smell blood from far away. Dolphin. It's gray and smooth. It lives in groups called pods. It loves to jump and talk through clicks. Octopus. It has 8 long arms. It can change color to hide. It squirts ink when scared. Sea turtle. It has a hard shell. It lives in warm seas. It travels thousands of miles to lay eggs. Starfish. It has 5 arms and no bones. It lives on the ocean floor. It can grow back a lost arm. Jellyfish. It's soft and see-through. It drifts with the waves. Some glow in the dark. Seahorse. It's tiny and shaped like a horse. It holds onto sea plants with its tail. Dads carry the babies. Crab. It has a hard shell and 2 claws. It walks sideways on the sand. It hides in holes when waves crash. Lobster. It's red after cooking, but dark green in the sea. It has big claws to grab food. It lives under rocks. Stingray. It's flat and smooth. It glides like a flying carpet. It hides in the sand with only its eyes showing. Squid. It has long tentacles. It can shoot ink to escape. It swims fast by squirting water. Whale shark. It's the largest fish in the ocean. It has white spots all over. It eats tiny plankton, not people. Moray eel. It's long like a snake. It hides in coral caves. It peeks out with sharp teeth showing. Sea urchin. It's round and covered in spines. It lives on rocks under the sea. Some glow purple or red. Sea cucumber. It's soft and tube-shaped. It crawls slowly on the ocean floor. It cleans the sea by eating waste. Angelfish. It's bright with stripes and patterns. It lives near coral reefs. It loves to swim in pairs. Parrotfish. It has a beak like a parrot. It bites coral to eat algae. It poops out sand that makes beaches swordfish. It has a long, sharp nose. It swims super fast. It uses its sword to hit small fish.